Hello, welcome to the Car Dealer Theme Options. Using theme options, you can set and customize layout of the site like header, footer, widgets, posts, car pages, blog pages, team page, and so on. For theme options, first you need to install Car Dealer theme as well as all required plugins. Let's start Car Dealer theme options. As you can see, theme options menu provided in top bar menu as well as horizontal menu. Let's go to theme options page. Here, as you can see here, various theme options are provided. Let's discuss on sample data tabs first. This is one-click sample data installation. We have provided 10 home pages. Separate installation is provided for each. Here, note that, you will have to install default sample data first, then you can install other home pages. If you will install sample data, then all content of the theme will be sent, which will help you to build your site and layout. If you want to build this from scratch, you can skip this step. Let's install sample data. See, loader is displayed here. Let me inform you that, installation of sample data will take some time. So please be patient and let the whole process to complete. See, it's installed successfully. Let's see front end. See whole theme structure set successfully. Let's go for other theme options. Okay, let's start from layout settings. Here, 3 layouts given: boxed, framed and standard. Let me inform you that, body background settings is available to set body background. And this option is given for boxed and framed layout only. Let's change layout as boxed. See here, background options is displayed here like background type, that is, color and image. Let's set color first and save changes. Okay, let's check updates on front. See layout set as boxed and background color also set. Same like this, you can also set body background image also and other layouts. Let's reset this option by clicking this button. This button will reset current theme option to default. Let's move to site logo settings. As you can see here, you can set site logo as text or image. Let's remove site logo image and check the updates. See here, logo is disappeared. And site title is displayed. Let's now set logo image. You can see here, separate logo option is given for sticky header, mobile sticky header along with height. Logo option is also given for admin login page as well as maintenance pages. Okay. Let's save updates and check this updates. See, it's displayed. Now let's set logo as text. You can see here, text options are also displayed. Let's set these options. Now let's check it. Okay, see, this all settings are reflected here. Now let's move to side preloader option. Here, you can set side preloaders. As you can see here, you can show or hide preloaders. In Preloader Image option, you can display image by 3 ways. First is, you can use predefined loaders. Second, you can upload your custom image, and last is, you can display loader images by coding. Let's change one preloader image. Let's check it on front. See here, preloader image is changed. Let's move to header options. Here, you can set header type. Let's select any one header from drop down. Now if you want to change default colors of header, then you can change by clicking custom button. You can also enable or disable site sticky header and set other sticky header options. Let's save the changes and see the front side. Okay, as you can see, all the changes we made are displayed here in header. Let's check also in sticky header. See, sticky header changes are also displayed. Okay, let's move to another option, that is, top bar. Here, as you can see, you can enable or disable top bar from here for both desktop and mobile. In this top bar layout, you can add element in left side or right side of top bar by drag and drop. Let's make some changes. Now, next is, you can set top bar background color and text color from here. We are also having sticky top bar. You can enable or disable sticky top bar from here. Let's make some changes. Okay, now see updates on front side. See, changes are applied here. Like top bar left side elements, right elements, background color, text color, and so on. Now move to the another theme option, page header. Let me inform you that by default, theme will take inner page header settings from here for all pages. If you want different header settings for any specific pages, then you can do it by edit that page and set header settings for that page and save the page. See here, you can set header height from here. For both desktop and mobile. You can set alignment of title bar from here. Now in banner type, you can set page header banner as image, video, or background color. Set as per your need. These bottom sections are displayed based on your banner type selection. Now check the page before changes. Let's make some changes. Let's set video here. As you can see, we provided two types of video here, YouTube and Vimeo. Let's set YouTube video. You can also show or hide breadcrumb by this button. OK, now save changes and check the page after changes. As you can see, title is displayed here in center. And background video is displayed as we said. Let's go for footer settings. As you can see, we have 12 column layouts for footer. Here, you can set colors for footer title, text, and link colors. Here, you can set background type also. You can set background as image or color. As you can see, bottom options are displayed as per your selection. Let's check footer layout before any changes. Now let's start from layout and color changes. Let's set this layout. Then color and background changes. Let's set background color. OK, let's save all changes and check it on front. As you can see, all changes are reflected successfully. Now, let's check other options. You can show or hide footer top by this button. Let me show you footer top section on front. See, this is footer top section which is displaying social icons. Now let's modify some icons from theme options. Now next is footer bottom section. Let's check it on front first. See, this is footer bottom section. You can show or hide it from here. Now hide this section and save all changes. Let's check these changes. As you can see, footer top section is reflected. Some social icons we removed here. Now, for footer bottom section, as you can see, it's disappeared. This next section is copyright section. Let's see its settings on theme options. As you can see, you can show or hide this section, as well as can set colors. Here, footer text left and footer text right settings are indicating the left and right sections of copyright section in footer. As you can see here, we have provided year, site title, and footer menu shortcodes here. You can use them in both sections or anywhere. Let's make some changes for copyright section. Let's save changes. OK. Now check them on front. See here, all changes we made are appeared here. That's it for footer settings. Now, before move to next theme option settings, let's reset all theme options to make the site look as demo site. To reset all section, click this Reset All button. Let's start car settings. In currency settings, you can set currency symbol here, placement of symbol and separator settings. Let's see amount displayed in car listing. Now make some changes in currency settings and see updates. See, currency changes are applied. Let's see page settings. You can set cars per page and number of columns in car listing. For car listing page layout, we provided 6 layouts. Let's select this one. Let me inform you that we have 2 types of filters: Ajax filter method and get method. Let's select Ajax filter as enabled. Now set cars page sidebar as left sidebar. That's it for car listing page sidebar. Let's check all updates. As you can see, grid full width layout is displayed. Now let's check filter. As you can see, result is displayed with Ajax response without loading the whole page. Now let's check other settings related to car detail page. This is setting for car detail page. You can set car detail page sidebar here. You can select car detail page layout from here. Now, using this last option, you can show or hide sold vehicles. Let's make some changes and check it on front. See all changes reflected here. Let's now go for custom form setting. We provided 5 dealer forms: request more information, schedule test drive, make an offer, email to friend, and financial information. Let's check request more information form setting. As you can see, all settings are displayed here. You can also use contact form 7. For this, you can set use contact form 7 to yes, and add contact form 7 shortcode in text box. Let first check currently displayed custom form on car detail page. See, this form is displayed in dialog. Now let's add contact form 7. For that, first create one contact form. See, I already have created one. Let's copy the shortcode. Now, Let's paste it in this text box. Now check it on front. See here, contact form is displayed. Same settings are there for other dealer forms. Let's move to API key setting. Here it includes API key for EDMUNSWIN import. This will be used for EDMUNSWIN import process for cars. Google Maps API will be used for Google Maps. Google CAPTCHA API will be used for dealer lead forms CAPTCHA. MailChimp API will be used for newsletter. The next setting is Geofencing Settings, where you can enable or disable geofencing as well as can set background color of geofencing message. Okay, that's it for car settings. Let's now move to next section, that is, blog or post settings. Here, blog title is used to display blog page title. Note that, this will be effective if your latest posts is selected in front page displays in reading settings. Blog subtitle is used to display blog subtitle on blog page. Note that, this will be effective if your latest posts is selected in front page displays in reading setting or subtitle is blank in blog page when static page is selected in front page displays in reading setting. Blog sidebar is used to display sidebar in blog page. In blog page layout, we are having two layouts, classic and masonry. In this meta item settings, you can select and reorder meta items to display for classic layout. Now let's set blog page as front page. Okay, now let's make some changes in blog settings. Let's set blog title and subtitle. Next, change blog sidebar to full width and blog layout to masonry. As you can see, another option for masonry is appeared to set masonry columns. Let's select 3 columns. Let's save all changes. Now check the updates on front. As you can see here, blog title and subtitle are displayed. Blog layout is set to masonry 3 columns. Now next is archive settings. These settings are used to display author information, category information, and tag information on archive page. In single post settings, you can show or hide meta items, related posts, author details, and post navigation. Let's first check blog single page. As you can see, all details are currently displayed. See, these are all meta items. These are related posts. Here is author details and this one is post navigation. Let's make changes. Let's display only date in meta items. Let's hide related posts, author details, and post navigation. Save changes. Now let's check these updates on front. As you can see, all updates are reflected. Now, let's discuss team settings. See here, 2 team page layouts are given. Select according to your need. Here, let me inform you that, if you want to set team page layout different from theme option, then layout setting is also given for separate page. For that you can edit that page, and set layout as per your need from that page itself. Let's set layout 2 and check the updates. See, this is layout 2. Let's again set layout 1 and check updates. See, this is first layout. Let's move to site info settings. Here, you can set social media URLs. Next, site contacts. Here, you can set site contact information. This information you can display in top bar as we have discussed earlier in top bar section of header. Next section is social sharing, where you can enable or disable social sharing functionality like this. This functionality will be used for blog pages for sharing purpose. Let's move to custom typography section. As you can see here, typography settings are given for body as well as all header tags, where you can set font family, backup font family, font weight and style, text transform, font size, line height and letter spacing. Let's first update body fonts and check. See, body fonts are updated. Now let's update H1 tags fonts. And see update on front. See here, settings are applied. Same way, you can set other heading tag fonts also. Let's go for maintenance theme option. Using this option, you can enable or disable maintenance mode of the site. Let's enable maintenance mode and check other options. In maintenance, you are having two options. First is you can set your site under maintenance and display messages given in title and subtitle. And second is, you can make site under maintenance and display coming soon page instead of maintenance page. Let's first go for first. Let's save these changes and test it on front side. See here, maintenance page is displayed. And title and subtitle are displayed. Let's check coming soon page now. Here, like maintenance page, you can set title and subtitle. You can also set coming soon date. You can also upload and display coming soon image. You can also display newsletter. Let's set all the details. Let's enable newsletter. See, newsletter settings are appeared. Now, let me inform you that, in order to use newsletter, you will have to install MailChimp for WordPress plugin. Then you need to configure it by adding API key and create new form, then only you will be able to see that form in this form list. See here in this drop down, one form is displaying, that's because I have configured MailChimp for WordPress plugin and added one form named coming soon. This is newsletter description, which will be displayed in front with newsletter form. You can also show or hide social icons using this setting. Social icons will be displayed in footer for both maintenance and coming soon pages. OK. Now let's save all updates and check updates on front. See here, coming soon page is displayed along with coming soon title and subtitle, coming soon date and banner image. See, in bottom, newsletter description and newsletter form is displayed. That's it for maintenance theme option. OK, we completed all major theme options. Thank you.